because I'm trash talking doesn't mean anything.
Bro, you've been trash talking the whole time.
Okay, and
then when I put a video on, you don't want to trash talk.
He's a fat pig anyway.
He
needs to get off the game. Get off the game, kid! That's why you don't got Mr. Marshmallow. You better not. Else I'm gonna kick you off. Cause you don't deserve to be on here. You go somewhere else. You can go somewhere else. Hey, go train how to play Fortnite. Really? I didn't. Okay. I'm just saying. You are. This is what you get.
Y'all cool. Ooh, he telling me that you gonna get slapped. You gay. What you gonna say about that?
I ain't gay. You just mad because you a pig? Are you mad? That's why you doing that dance. Stop doing it, you Sherlock. Yeah, do you like it when I do it? You Sherlock. What the heck? Freaking not working. Oh, got it. So,
Peppa Pig. Ooh, he got on you right there.
heck? Hey, little kid, I don't know who you talking to.
Ooh.
You ain't talking to me cause pigs can't talk and they can't even type. Pigs just go roll in mud, so go in mud. Roll in mud. You look who you're in the game. Cause you need to roll in mud.
Bro, what happened to your roasting? You was roasting on my stream, but now you don't. Get RE.
It says get here. Why? Why you want me to get here? Give me one reason why you want me to go there. Give me one reason. I know, just so I can roast you, just give me one more reason. I'm not landing with you. You eat your own poop.
That's tough.
Land by yourself. It's not freaking letting me jump. Now it is. Hey, don't land with me, you stupid pig. Hey, I'm watching you. Move, get away from me. You gay faggot. Stop following me. Hey, yo, gay faggot. Move. I will stab you. Get away from me. Ah! Get away from me. Nobody likes you. Leave me alone. I'm going somewhere else. Let me die as I can. Nobody told you to follow me. I mean, you are a pig, and I don't know if you're supposed to be on here. Freaking won't let me get the little chest. Hey, yo, what's wrong with your controller, man? Something is wrong with your controller.
What's wrong with my controller? What you gonna do?
It's not freaking letting me pick up the glider.
Was your my controller bot?
Yes. One knob is broken and one knob is fixed. How do you play?
Bruh, he's lying.
Look at the controller.
Look at that, it's fixed.
One is fixed, one is broken.
Bro, chill.
No, I'm not chilling.
Get the
Because
blue
this dude
pump,
is freaking
dum-dum.
talking about me just because he's a pig and he's trying to be.
This dude can't pick up
baby.
it. Dude can't
Go
pick
on
up
the pig alley and go roll in some mud with your friends. So you go roll in the mud by yourself from solos then. Since you don't want to go do it. Watch out, 'cause somebody could be behind you. They could be wearing white socks, black on the socks, and blue on the socks. And they can have like a creepy teddy bear on their back. You don't know who could be there.
It's freaking you. It's freaking you.
No, it's not.
Yesterday you said teddy bear on the back. What do you
No,
mean?
teddy bear.
I see Woo taking care of you over there. Yeah. He your
What do you mean I got a
daddy.
victory.
He your daddy.
No,
He
he's
taking
not.
care of you.
No, he's not.
He give you slurps and stuff.
Ooh,
Yeah.
look.
He just placed that.
No, he did not. My dang old slurp.
Oh,
This is mine
I heard
now.
that. I heard that. He can't pick it up. He can't pick it up.
Dang, what's wrong with your controller? It's not letting me jump. Probably because this pig is doing it. Let me freaking jump. What is this?
Bro, you're a bot. You suck.
No, there's.
You're freaking running. Bro, why are you shooting at?
I don't know what this thing is. I'm leaving. Get away from me. Oh, no, you creep!
He's single, by the way. Take him. He too crazy. Take him.
Be quiet, here. Stop placing those. You're just mad because you don't have any shield.
He has more shield than you, bruh. You only got 75 shield. You might have gotta get 100 if you drink that. You only have 75.
Ooh, I found a chest.
What's so important about? Bro, you can't open the chest. Dude can't open the chest, bruh. Dude can't open it.
What is this thing doing? Ooh, my favorite gun.
Dude can't open a chest. What do you mean?
I gotta hold the thing to get a freaking gun. Get my palm.
Ooh, for real, stop, bro.
Get my palm. Thank you. It's my palm. There's one more box left that my gun can go in. You need to stop that.
Oh my god.
That's it.
He took your pop again.
Get my palm.
Ooh, give him his shotgun.
Freaking AR.
Drop
Just give me the AR.
Drop,
'Cause I don't have a gun.
ooh,
I only have a.
drop Woo his shotgun.
Keep my dangle pump.
Bro, you dumb. You dumb for that. Keep my dang old pump.
Dang it! He's not on it. I'm
Guess-
leaving you now. Never ever.
Bro, you're freaking going out the circle. What do you mean?
Go ahead.
Well,
I'm going in the
you're
circle.
dead. You're about to be dead. You're a bot. You suck.
Ah! Dang it!
You suck.
I'm leaving. There's two? There's some bandages. I'll put in my butt. Ah! That tickles. Let's open this chest. Are you gonna come help me now? And I just died because of you. You could have built around me and just come get me.
Bruh.
But no, I want to get a battle and not heal Taylor. You're a trash car. Heal me next time.
Bro, let me play and you record.
Okay, I guess you can be a bot now.
And you keep doing what you've been doing. Dang. Keep trash talking whatever you was doing. Here, hold it at the TV.
Now it's my turn.
Wait, wrong thing.
Look at guys. He's doing the gay faggot dance. Don't hit me.
I'm leaving the party.
Go ahead, leave it. Are you scared because I'm roasting you?
Oh, he left. He left. This dude left the party.
I know why. Guys, he's messed up. He's just mad because I'm...
Bro, your big lips.
Shut up.
Your big lips.
Look
Bro,
at your taco head. You got a
big
taco.
burger head.
Look at Nana's head. She got a
Bro,
pickle
your
head.
head look like an oval. Dang.
Bro, I got some boogers in my nose.
Because Kaylin have a big head.
Wait a minute. He said Kaylin. My name ain't Kaylin. It's Taylin. Taylen. Don't mention my name.
What?
Nobody likes you.
Ooh, you call him a big head and me he's smart. Dang, that's tough. If you call him you call Woo a big head and make him smart. Dang, that's tough. Oh, butthead. You Nash.
Your account is a butthead. Stop copying my brother's account. You butthead.
Your brother's name is Butthead?
No, my brother's account has that account.
Woo to God on me. Spell Butthead.
You just helped me spell it though.
What is it then?
I don't have to spell it right now. Because I already know how to spell it. I'm not spelling it because you just showed me how to spell it. And you did.
Oh my goodness.
I'm zooming in that. I'm zooming in that. Hey,
Woo, this kid's lit.
you see
What are
that?
you doing? What are you doing? Oh wow. Bro, this video is stopping. This
Why?
video is stopping.
Follow me on TikTok, gang gang.
What the heck? I'm out.